morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Ashita. I am studying in KGH section. Today I am talking about Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was born on 19 November at Allahabad. She is daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. She is calling as the identity of India for her bonus. She is born with great leadership skills, strong and dynamic. Her middle name is Priyadarshini. A lost page in Odisha. In 1984, her own bodyguards shoot at Dishum Dishum. Please, ma'am, I will tell Indira Gandhi's poem. Indira Gandhi Jana Mari, Indira Gandhi Shana Mari, Indira Gandhi Jana Mari, Indira Gandhi Shana Mari. हमारा हो गए हजारा हो गए देश के है गुरबानी. जय हिंद, जय भारत, बोलो भारत माता की जय. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.